Hello friends, welcome to vesnasstv Home. It's Vesna here. For today's episode, I'm showing you my buffet and how I set up my hot chocolate station. So I actually damaged our buffet. This was the soda stream. And I guess there's a bottle of something here as well. I'm not sure when it happened, but it happened a little while ago. So I haven't been keeping any liquids here. I will put the mini Keurig here. Hopefully it doesn't do too much, but what I'm going to do is actually put just a clear tablecloth here to protect it. This was damaged when we bought it. The plan is to refinish this. However, so yeah, I plan to refinish this, but right now, that room over there, that messy room over there, is a playroom. So until that becomes a formal living room, I don't want to kind of refinish any of the furniture in my dining room because I kind of want it all to blend. I'm not about matchy-matchy, but I do want it to blend. And I'm not entirely sure if I want to paint this, if I just want to refinish the top. I don't know. I may do something about the handles, I don't know. I just don't know. So until I know, I'm not touching it. So here it is. It is not the nicest. It is what it is. I want it to be protected so it doesn't damage anymore, because here I'm going to have to like scrape off and stuff. So I did this with the table. The table I will not redo. The table was refinished just before we bought it. And I've refinished the table before and I really don't want to do that. It's a lot of work. And then this one has a lot of here, I'll show you, intricate little designs and stuff like that. So to refinish it, I mean, I don't want to paint it. So to refinish it, I'm not going to. I will redo the chairs at one point. But like I said, until I have the other room done, I'm not going to. So anyway, here it is. I did it to the table because my son was doing homeschool, like online school. So he was writing and markers and painting and whatever, so I didn't want it getting damaged. So I'm gonna continue it on there until the pandemic is over, I guess. Anyway, so here it is. Now I'm gonna start to make the hot cocoa station here. So here's the station all finished. I've put some cute little mugs here. I've got a Santa mug and then this little Christmas mug. My little deck the halls for spoons. Then I've got these cute little elf napkins and a little snowman napkin holder. Then I've got my David's tea hot chocolate. So this is for people who just want like a tea option. And then I've got hot chocolate and marshmallows. As you can see, some are gone already. And my little DIY snowman here. Then I've got your Christmas sprinkles here, as well as some candy canes. If you want a straw, the reusable straws, and my little hot chocolate bar sign, all on a little pedestal. And then I've got my Keurig. If you wanted to make a hot chocolate, I've got this little thing, the reusable thing that you could have your hot chocolate or your tea into the single Keurig, or you can do it on the stove. It doesn't matter. I don't have the cake cups for the Keurig. I like to use the reusable one, but here's the station, and I am going to get some other cute little sprinkles, but that's it. Everything is here. It's a cute little station. My kids are loving it. And after all, most of the stuff I do around the house, it's for me, but it's also for them. They love it, and I love to see the joy in their eyes. As cheesy as that sounds, I love it. For the little canisters for the hot chocolate and the marshmallows, I used old jars from canned peaches. And then for the lids were green. I Mod Podged some napkins from the Dollar Tree on there so that they were Christmas themed. The Dollar Tree now has some really nice glass containers with colored, like green and red colored lids that you could use too if you wanted to. I just didn't want to spend the money, and I love the shape of these jars, so that's what I used. But this is the whole little bar here. So I've tried to make it kind of like a snowman, red and white type of theme. I've got all of my DIYs, those little joy blocks I made last year. That Christmas sign is not my DIY, but it is a DIY that someone made for me. And then I've got my little snowman on the other side from a brush and the little frame. And on one of those Dollar Tree cutting boards. Let me know what you think of the whole thing. I think it turned out really cute. I'm really happy with everything. Again, let me know what you think. I always like to hear your opinions. I'm going to set a schedule, so you're going to hold me accountable. Today is the hot chocolate station and the buffet. Then on Monday will be my mantle decor, and on Wednesday I will post my house tour, and that way I will be done with my Christmas stuff. I don't think I'm doing anything in the basement. If I add stuff in the basement, maybe I'll do a bonus video, but hold me accountable. That way I'm going to finish posting so that you guys can have ideas. If you haven't decorated yet, I'm sure most people have. I'm a little bit late to the game, but maybe this will give you some additional ideas. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Stay safe, and as always, I appreciate you watching, and check out my other channels. I've been ignoring my cooking channel, but I've been very active on my DIY channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Stay safe, and check out my description below.